How to add Commonwealth Card to Apple Wallet. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Commonwealth. Make sure you are using the updated version. Tap on Accept and Continue. Click on Login. Now you will have to enter a login credential. As in, first of all, enter your net bank client number and then enter the password. Once you have entered, tap on Next at the top right corner. Follow the on-screen process and you will be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on the home page. Once you are in the home page, move into Cards at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tons of different cards will be visible to you. Swipe left and head over to see more of your cards. Choose the card that you want to add on your Apple Wallet. Once you have selected, you can see the option of Add to Apple Wallet. Once you have clicked on it, you will need to enter some of the card details and then your card will be added to Apple Wallet. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.